If y'all are looking for an easy to use, easy to clean bird feeder, you're gonna wanna check this one out. Cute windows all the way around, heavy duty, all weather metal. You have three parts. You have this, the lid, and the feeder. Everything else is already put together. These are what the birds will land on. They do go up and down. Just make sure they are in place properly. So we're gonna put the lid on. I've already put some bird feed in it. And those little holes just go on top of and through the holes on here, just like that. And then we will put this in a hole. See if I can do it one-handed. Yeah. There we go. So now it's closed. And then you have your bird feeder with bird seed in it. And now we're gonna find a place to hang it. So we're gonna take it over here and put it in the garden somewhere. All right, so we found a spot for our bird feeder. I put a shepherd's hook up. That way when the bird seed falls, it can just fall in the grass instead of anywhere else in my garden. So it's up pretty high. I think all the mockingbirds and everyone flying around here will be able to see it. I have some birdseed mix in here, some sunflower seeds and everything for like songbirds. So I'm hoping to capture maybe a bird or two. We'll see. It's very hot and humid down in South Texas right now. So any type of water and food for our feather friends, I'm sure is going to be appreciated. And this is also a great design because of the weather tightness that it has. So if it rains, the majority of our birdseed is not going to get wet. So deep down in the bottom here, once that kind of gets eaten away at, the more from here will drop down. So I'm interested to see how this does. Try it out. We have lots of mockingbirds, cardinals, blue jays, so we'll see what we can get. So we just had a lot of rain, and so I'm going to check on how dry the seed is inside the bird feeder, and if I need to replace, I'm going to use some of this. Okay, so we've had rain for the past 2 days, a little stop and go, but you can see the bird seed is fairly dry. So really impressed with that. I'm going to just remove the lid right here. I just take that off, lift this up. And then look how dry that is. This is awesome. I'm really happy with that. So I just topped off the bird feeder with some new bird seed, put a little fresh layer on the bottom here just to kick things off. So I'm gonna put the lid back on like that. And we'll see if I can do this one-handed here. I'm gonna put this here, which closes the lid together. There we go. So let's hang it up and see if we can get any more birds to show up. So if y'all are looking for an outdoor bird feeder that is small, easy to clean, compact like this one, and is going to protect your birdseed from the elements and rain, check this one out. Hopefully you like it as much as we have.